Hello folks. Well, this is what happened at the end of the making of my recent video at our Christmas parade. Now I'm standing 3 blocks away and it's the end of the parade and people are moving everywhere. It's 5 degrees and it's pretty chaotic. But me wanting to catch the last floating Santa, I dropped down. Well, out here in all the lights, I didn't see the tree in the screen. It was right in front of me. Instead of going up and hitting return to home, I decided to run back up the street. I pushed forward, boom, ran right into the tree. I'll increase the brightness here in my editor so you can clearly see it. Well, as you can see, down it went. I'm walking down the street left and right, looking everywhere and looking at the transmitter and looking at this recording and trying to figure out where it could be. Well, I see it moving all around and everything, but hey, I don't have it. Well, I finally found it in the hands of the sheriff, and I thanked the person who brought it over and gave it to him. Well, I was really happy to get it back, and especially since I needed the footage from the card to make the Christmas parade video, which I did. So the moral is, even though I had avoidance on to make the drone go around objects, it does not work in the dark, because just like me, we can't see in the dark. Well, the motor cracked at the end and I was able to repair it, and it's now stronger than it probably was. But that pain in the ass part was the rubber dampener that connects to the camera. Not sure if it got broken in the crash or if someone grabbed it by the camera when they picked it up, but it got ripped. I ordered the arm and the rubber dampeners, but I'm not going to go through the amount of work to replace the arm unless I need to. The side can be pried off to get to the damper, and it's a pretty tedious job, but here it is fixed and a little test flight to show it's all working.